Blessed day everyone! For today's video, I will show you how I made this cocomelon cake with 12 pieces cupcakes. For future cake vlogs, you may want to consider subscribing and please click the notification bell. Para po sa cake na ito, I'm using 12 diameter cake board. Yung size po ng cake is around 8 to 9 inches. Hindi na po ako naglagay ng bubble straw or dowel since malapit lang po yung travel ng cake. This cake is a chocolate chiffon cake. Yung napili ko pong filling is dulce and chocolate buttercream. Make sure to always put your border icing and your filling for each layer. Cover the cake with green icing and scrape it until smooth using your preferred spatula. Slowly put the green marshmallow fondant strips with 1 to 2 inches width. Attach all the details and design on the cake. And for the last part, put the printable topper on each cupcakes. You may leave any comments or suggestions. Thank you for watching.